So guys, here I want to make some liver, some wet fried liver and pancakes. That's what we are going to have for dinner. So now I'm going to start with the liver, cooking the liver first, then I'll finish with the pancakes later. So in my cooking pot I've added some onions, the liver, then some crushed garlic and salt. Then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for some minutes. So here I'm adding the tomatoes, carrots and green bell pepper. I've grated them. You can even blend them except carrots. Then I'll go ahead and add 1 Royco cube and the curry spice, Royco curry spice. You can even use spices of your choice or opt not to add any spice. Then I'll go ahead and add the tomato paste and the Royco powder. I give them some time and then I'll just go ahead and mix them. So here my liver is ready. So lastly I'll just go ahead and add the coriander. So here I'm going to make the pancakes. In my bowl I'm adding flour, salt and some sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I love my pancakes with some salt and sugar. That combination, I love it. Then I'll go ahead and add some 2 eggs and water. I have a full recipe for crepes. You can check my previous videos. There's a recipe I did for crepes without milk. I have a full video. You can check my previous video. Next I'm going to cook my pancake. I'll just add a little oil on the pan to prevent the pancake from sticking in the pan. Then I'll add the butter. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. Want my always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. Well, I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slipped to the right, bind it to the blue. I slipped to the right, bind it to the I slipped to the right, bind it to the blue. I slipped to the right. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
So guys, our dinner is ready. It looks so yummy. Wow. Let's have a taste. Ina slap. Your food ina slap. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.